Hello, kindergartners. Mrs. Motter is here today to work with you on complete sentences. Not just a word. Cat, that's not a complete sentence. A complete sentence is longer and it tells you a little bit more than just one word. I'm going to read this sentence with a crisp pointing finger under each word. Listen. I see the cat. Try it with me. I see the cat. I point under the word, not on the word, because then I can't see it and I can't read it. I point under each word. One touch for each word. I bounce over the spaces. Pretend it's a puddle and you need to jump over it. You don't want to fall in the space. You don't want to fall in the puddle. A complete sentence starts with a capital letter, a letter that's big, capital. And a sentence ends with an ending mark. It's sometimes a period, it's sometimes a question mark, and it's sometimes an exclamation point. If you're shouting or you're really excited or you're really mad, you might see the exclamation point. So I'm going to read this sentence again a few more times. Let's see if it sounds right. I see the cat. How many words are in this complete sentence? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to touch 4 times. My mouth is going to say 4 words. I see the cat. Read it again. I see the cat. Now I'm going to mix my words up. Let's see what happens when we mix them up. Let's read this and see if it sounds right. Does it make sense? See, I, cat, the. Does that make sense? Does that sound like a sentence? No. Does it start with a capital letter? No. Does it have an ending mark? No. That is not a sentence that makes sense. So we mixed them up. Now we're going to fix them up. What do we need to start with? What sounds right? What's capital? I should come first. That's the capital letter. And then sometimes I like to put the ending mark at the end right away because I know that has to be last. Okay. So now we're left with see and the. Let's try it this way. Let's see if this works. I, the, see cat. No, that's not right. Those 2 words don't make sense like that. Let's switch it. Let's see if this sounds right and if it looks right. Does it have a capital letter? Yes. Does it have an ending mark? Yes. Now does it sound right? I see the cat. Yes, that makes sense. That sounds right and it looks right. Let's try a different sentence totally. All right, I'm going to hang up another sentence. Okay, sentences must start with a capital letter. Okay, that looks right. And it must have an ending mark. Oh, this is a question mark. I'm asking something. I'm wondering something. I want to know the answer. It sounds like this. Can I play? When you have a question mark, your voice goes up a little bit. It rises because you're asking something. Can I play? Do you hear play? I'm asking you. Read it with me. Can I play? I hope the answer is yes. Try it again. Can I play? That is a sentence. I have a capital letter. I have spaces. I have an ending mark. How many words are in this sentence? 1, 2, 3. So I touch 3 times. Should I touch on the word or under the word? Under. Listen. Can I play? I'm jumping over those spaces like they're puddles and I don't want to fall in. Read it with me. Can I play? Oh, nice. Now I'm going to mix it up. Let's see if this sounds right. I play can. I play can. I play can. Does that sound right? No, that doesn't sound right. Let's make sure the ending mark is at the end. Ending mark at the end. Let's try this one. I can play. Ooh, it's a little bit strange. It kind of sounds okay. I can be a word. It's always capital when it's a word. So that's a capital letter, but look at can. There's a capital letter in the middle of the sentence. That's not what we do. That doesn't sound right. It doesn't look right. So let's switch those around. We were asking a question, so we were starting with can. Let's read it again. Can I play? That's right. That's how the question sounds. Let's try one more, readers. Let's listen to this sentence. Mom is sad. Oh, let's read it again. Mom is sad. Here we have a period. A period means stop. The sentence is over. Say period. Say stop. Does our sentence start with a capital letter? Let's check. Yep, that's a capital M, Mom. Does the sentence have an ending mark? Yep, the period. Does the sentence have spaces? Yep, right here. We have to bounce over those spaces, jump over the puddle. Where should I put my pointer, guys? Did you say under the words? Then you are correct. Kiss your brain. So smart. Let's read it again. Mom is sad. Now we're going to mix it up and try to fix it up. Let's see if this makes sense. Is Mom sad? Is Mom sad? That does kind of sound like a sentence. Is Mom sad? Like I'm asking you, is she sad? So is that a question mark? No. Is that a capital I? No. So it doesn't look correct. Let's try it a different way. Mix it up. Let's try it this way. Sad is Mom. Sad is Mom. Sad is Mom. Does that sound right? No. And they have a period over here. That's not where the period goes. The period must go at the end. So let's just put it over there. And what does the sentence need to begin with? capital letter, capital letter. A sentence begins with a capital letter. A capital letter is a letter that's big. A sentence ends in a period or an exclamation or a question mark. All right, let's check. Do we have a capital letter? Check. Do we have an ending mark? Check. Do we have spaces? Check. How many words are in this sentence? 1, 2, 3. Let's count it one more. Let's read it one more time. Mom is sad. Well, I hope your mom is not sad today. In fact, if she's close to you, go give her a hug right now. Love you, readers. Bye-bye.